Hello, my name is Patricia Duarte, and my key concept presentation will be on truncation. It's a simple search technique used across various library databases to help strengthen your search results. In this short presentation, I'll demonstrate truncation using ProQuest's Ethnic News Watch database, which is a database I'll be focusing on for my final project. So this will serve as a stepping stone for me while I present truncations to you and how you can use it to make your search more efficient. Definition. Truncation, sometimes called stemming, is a search technique that retrieves all variations of a root word, and it allows you to perform one search efficiently and quickly. How to use and why. The symbol that most databases use for truncations is the asterisk, which tells the system to look for any ending that comes after that root word, thus broadening your results. How to use. In this example, I'll be using the word educate, where the root word is educat, followed by the asterisk. The database will then look for all the words that will begin with the same root. Some will include educational, education, and educator. The asterisk is the connector to find the potential endings for the word. With this symbol, your search can include several related terms automatically, giving you search results in less time. But use with caution though. Remember to use truncation carefully. If the root word is too short, you might retrieve unrelated results. For instance, typing stud with an asterisk after will search for other terms. For instance, it'll search study, student, and also studio. The key is to make your root word long enough to capture useful variations and not irrelevant ones. So being mindful of this when using this technique. Here I have an example of my search before using the asterisk, and I typed out immigration. The search hit 186,000 results. Now when I change my search to immigrant with the asterisk, the results increased to more than 350,000. Truncation picks up immigrant, immigrants, and immigration for me. This method will help bring wider range of articles, which is especially useful for topics involving different communities or perspectives. Symbols across databases. Truncation symbols can vary across databases, so it's good to check in with the search tips or help section before you start. Most databases will use the asterisk for their truncation. In this database, you can find the search tips page right under the search bar. Here they use the example ecom with the asterisk, which retrieves economy, economic, and economists. To summarize, truncation is an easy to use search tool that can make a big difference in your results. It helps you retrieve every form of the word, saving you time while expanding your search and improving accuracy. Truncation also increases inclusivity by capturing different word forms and spellings that you might not think of for your search. But always check the database's help and search tips, just in case. In my own research using ProQuest Ethnic News Watch database, truncation has helped me discover more relevant articles about immigrant experiences and how those stories are represented in the news. That's the end of the presentation. Thank you for your time, and I hope you'll try using truncation in your own searches.